When people hear the term financial analyst, they often picture someone sitting in a skyscraper on Wall Street staring at stock charts all day. But the reality is very different. Financial analysts work in healthcare, technology, banking, manufacturing, government, retail, and nearly every major industry you can think of. In fact, many companies rely on financial analysts to help them make some of their biggest business decisions. How much should we spend? Should we launch a new product? Can we afford to hire more employees? Where is the company losing money? And how can profits be increased? These are the types of questions financial analysts help answer every day. The best part? Many financial analysts earn strong salaries, have clear advancement opportunities, and can eventually move into management, finance leadership, or executive roles. So today we're breaking down the financial analyst career path, what they actually do, how much they make, and whether this could be a good career for you. Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a financial analyst? A financial analyst helps organizations make better financial decisions. Think of them as business problem solvers who use numbers. They collect information, analyze financial data, identify trends, build forecasts, and provide recommendations to decision makers. Their job isn't just looking at spreadsheets. Their job is helping businesses understand what the numbers mean. A good financial analyst helps leaders make smarter decisions about money. And because every company cares about money, financial analysts are needed almost everywhere. A typical day can vary depending on the company, but most financial analysts spend time working on several key activities: reviewing financial reports, analyzing budgets, creating forecasts, tracking company performance, building spreadsheets, creating presentations, and meeting with managers. For example, a company may want to know whether they can afford a major expansion. A financial analyst may review revenue trends, expenses, projected growth, and financial risks before making recommendations. In many ways, financial analysts help answer the question, what happens if we do this? That makes them incredibly valuable to organizations. One thing many people don't realize is that financial analyst is a broad title. There are many different types. Corporate financial analysts work inside companies helping manage budgets and business decisions. Investment analysts evaluate stocks, bonds, and investments. Banking analysts support lending and financial services. Healthcare financial analysts focus on hospitals and healthcare organizations. FP&A analysts, which stands for Financial Planning and Analysis, help companies forecast future performance. Some analysts focus on operations, others focus on investments, and some specialize in specific industries. This flexibility is one reason many people choose finance careers. Let's talk about personality. You do not need to be a math genius. That's one of the biggest misconceptions. Most financial analysts are not solving advanced calculus equations every day. What they are doing is solving business problems. Successful analysts tend to enjoy problem solving, critical thinking, looking for patterns, working with numbers, research, and making decisions based on facts. Attention to detail is important, communication is important, and curiosity is important. Because often your job is figuring out why the numbers are changing. Now let's discuss education. Most financial analysts have a bachelor's degree. Common majors include finance, accounting, business administration, economics, statistics, and sometimes mathematics. However, the industry has become more flexible over time. Employers increasingly care about skills, Excel proficiency, data analysis, financial modeling, communication, and business understanding. Certifications can also help later in your career, especially for professionals who want to move into specialized areas of finance. If you want to become a financial analyst, focus on building valuable skills. The most important skill is Excel, and I cannot emphasize that enough. Excel remains one of the most important tools in finance. Financial analysts spend a tremendous amount of time working with spreadsheets. Other valuable skills include data analysis, financial modeling, budgeting, forecasting, presentation skills, and business communication. Learning how to explain financial information clearly can be just as important as understanding the numbers themselves. Let's talk about income, because that's one reason many people are interested in this career. Entry-level financial analysts often earn between $50,000 and $75,000 annually. Mid-level professionals frequently earn between $75,000 and $100,000. Experienced analysts, senior analysts, managers, and finance leaders often exceed six figures. Some specialized finance roles can earn significantly more. The exact numbers depend on location, industry, experience, and company size. But overall, finance remains one of the stronger paying professional career paths. One major advantage of this career is flexibility. Financial analysts aren't limited to one industry. Technology companies hire them. Healthcare systems hire them. Manufacturers hire them. Banks hire them. Insurance companies hire them. Retail companies hire them. Government agencies hire them. Almost every organization needs people who understand financial performance. That means financial analysts often have more career options than many specialized professions. One reason finance attracts ambitious professionals is advancement potential. A common path looks something like this: financial analyst, senior financial analyst, finance manager, director of finance, vice president of finance, chief financial officer. Of course, not everyone follows the same path, but finance offers clear opportunities for growth. Many leaders started as analysts before moving into management and executive positions. The skills you build early can continue creating opportunities for decades. Let's briefly discuss one of the fastest growing areas of finance: FP&A, financial planning and analysis. These professionals help companies plan for the future. They create forecasts, build budgets, analyze performance, and help leadership make strategic decisions. Many finance professionals consider FP&A one of the most attractive long-term career paths because it combines business strategy with financial analysis. If you hear someone mention FP&A, they're essentially talking about advanced financial planning and business forecasting. Another reason many people are interested in finance is flexibility. Many financial analyst positions can be performed remotely or in hybrid environments. Not all of them, but many. Since much of the work involves data, reports, spreadsheets, and meetings, remote opportunities have increased significantly in recent years. For professionals seeking work-life balance, this can be a major advantage. Now let's be realistic. Every career has challenges. Financial analysts often work with deadlines, budgets, forecasts, executive presentations, and high expectations. Accuracy matters. Mistakes can be expensive. Some periods can become extremely busy, especially during budgeting season, month-end reporting, or major projects. If you dislike working with data or numbers, this career may not be the best fit. But for people who enjoy analysis and business decision-making, many find the work rewarding. So is becoming a financial analyst worth it? For many people, yes. The career offers strong salaries, advancement opportunities, transferable skills, industry flexibility, professional growth, and potential pathways into leadership. It may not be the perfect fit for everyone, but if you enjoy business, problem solving, and helping organizations make better decisions, financial analysis can be an excellent career path. The truth is that every successful company relies on financial information, and someone has to understand that information. Someone has to explain it. Someone has to help leaders make smart decisions. That's where financial analysts come in. They're not just spreadsheet experts, they're business problem solvers. And that's why they continue to be valuable across nearly every industry. Now I want to hear from you. Would you consider becoming a financial analyst? Or does another finance career interest you more? Leave a comment below. And if you're interested in career advice, salary breakdowns, healthcare careers, technology careers, finance careers, and high-paying jobs, make sure you subscribe to Career Decode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.